So I've got that laundry basket blocking it, but she is very insistent. Yeah? Yes, I am talking about you. Yeah, now that I'm recording, she's walking away. She was there for like 10 minutes trying to get that drawer open. Oh, and here she is for another go. Wow, she is so talented. The power of the snack compels her. You gotta say hi to your audience. The chutzpah that is Gal, Chapter 2. That box has snacks in it. The box that she's trying to get into that's upside down. It has snacks in it. That's why it's upside down. Because if I leave it right side up, she just leaps right in. But she's going to figure out how to get in there, though. At the moment, the flaps folded in are the only thing stopping her from getting the snacks out. Such a gal. And this, boys and girls, is why you don't necessarily want an intelligent pet.